There's really a number of things that drove us to be the front line of lean for really the port. Aviation maintenance, because of our history of being involved in it earlier, of having experience and having a lot of information about how we do our work, and our size, made us an obvious choice for that.
We're looking at restroom maintenance and how do we respond to those restroom maintenance calls so we can do it in a timely and efficient manner. The airport is growing at a huge rate, and if we can be more efficient in the work that we do, we can address the emerging service needs, including what's most important to our customers, which is being able to respond to restroom maintenance. There could be a language barrier. There are people who don't speak English as their first language, and sometimes it's difficult to understand what they're saying. So the team came up with color coding and photos. The exact terminology should be used. And is this urgent as in drop everything and get out there? Or is this something where I can finish, the maintenance worker, can finish the thing I'm working on and then go there and address this problem?
Our goal is to have the right materials at the right place at the right time for the craftspeople to do their repairs. And when it comes to maintenance, you never know when that right place and right time is going to be until something happens. We want to make sure that we're planning ahead, not just for preventive maintenance, but also for corrective maintenance.
It's really those frontline folks, the frontline leaders that are the foremen, the general foremen, the managers, and the workers. They're the ones that really get this stuff done. So we needed their buy-in from the beginning. And to get their buy-in, we solicited their input.
And they have two things that are going on. One they identified as their emergency repair kit, and those kits will be located right by the restrooms. Then the other thing they'll have is the corrective maintenance kit. So sometimes there's something bigger, like replacing a urinal or a toilet. So that thing would be shipped from the distribution center.
So what you find is when someone is in the field and has to make a repair, 9 times out of 10 there's a press. It's a restroom, it's something we need to get back in service. And if they have to go out into the field and then bring certain things with them, missing one item, oftentimes delays a return to service for up to 24 to 48 hours. Whereas as the DC receive things, the time element is not as important. They can take up to a week to prepare a kit that has everything from the 4 bolts that attaches the toilet bowl to the ground, to the gasket that goes, to every single tool that needs to go into that kit.
We're adjusting the distribution side of the house where we have the material, we have it staged, and it's ready for whichever of those two better fit our need.
One of our efforts today is to take the 9 shelves you see here, organize those shelves, and start to move things closer so that the actual workers in this shop can prepare their kits more effectively.
And we have identified the materials that will support that. We've also are looking at, again, those high use items that we can better reach, and so for the staff that's here, as they're pulling the items, that it's better situated.
Then the other part is, instead of having one person who just roams the entire airport, they're looking at splitting up their work by zone. The current idea is maybe it would be the non-secure side, and maybe the north end of the secure side and the south end of the secure side.
The end result is we're hoping to have our restrooms in the best condition, day fresh at 4 a.m. as we're calling it, and it's a great goal for us. It's easy to grab onto.